Oh yeah, I replaced these rusty chains holding up the tailgate with some stainless steel. So we don't have that problem again, because there's no bueno. No freaking way. You guys gotta see this. I have not looked at under this engine cover since I got the truck. This is like what you typically expect, just dusty. But we got a stowaway. Now, I'm not sure if that was from here or from Japan. It looks like it's been there a while. I don't know what it is. I don't know where it came from. But we're going to see if my cousin can resurrect it and see if it hatches into a Pidgey or something like that.
A Pidgey!
Finishing reinstalling the headlights after I, did all the plastic dip and all that. And I just found a nice little feature. If anybody you guys are on the fence about buying one of these things, this headlight cover over here, it's got a built-in nut chiller. Yeah, so go buy one. Yeah, so I just got this paintless dent repair kit from Amazon. It's like a 97-piece kit for like 50 something bucks. So I don't know how promising it's going to be, but we're going to attempt to pull this dent, and then if that works, we're going to attempt to pull that monster dent up there. But I've never done this before, so enjoy watching this trip. Alright, the budget paintless dent repair worked out okay. I mean, it's better than it was. I did pull some paint off, but that's okay. Skim coat of Bondo, some touch-up paint, and it's going to be a billion times better than it was. All in all, not bad for the first time using that kit. And I didn't break any clips, even though the reviews all said that the clips break. I don't know what they're doing, but I didn't break any. And I was pulling really hard on the slide hammer. Obviously, to the point where I took paint off. Anywho, Bondo and touch up. All right, so oh wait, hold on. Anywho, I broke a bunch of these little bumper clips on the Subaru truck. They go right there and right there, and there's 2 on either side. But I snapped 2 of them on the way out, so I 3D printed new ones. I mean, basically the same thing, but slightly different design that makes them a little bit easier to remove because I put a little, what do you call it, access hole to release the tab. Fits perfectly. I also 3D printed the other half of them that go on the bumper, even though mine are okay, but I figured I'd have the prints ready for in case they ever break. Or if anybody needs any, let me know. I give you 2 for a reasonable price, maybe. And I also finished touching up, bondoing this. I need to get better paint though. The white is too stark white. This is just faded, but it's a lot better than it was because it used to be pushed in like, I don't know, a good inch. Not bad. Next, bumper back on and bed liner. Alright, now that we know that these 3D printed clips fit nicely, I went ahead and printed a couple more so that, you know, they're all brand new and fit properly. And then I also cut out some vinyl, very simple design to take off some of the vibration, take off some of the slack. Alright, there we go. Vinyl applied. Stay. Bam. Secure. Alright, let's throw the bumper on. So we need a battery cover because none of these. All right. So far, what I've seen, none of them come with a battery cover. They're all missing, and they're all plastic. So either they broke or somebody took them for their own truck. But whatever. I had this. Well, what used to be like a food service serving tray, or like what you see like a buffet or whatever. But it's heavy gauge stainless steel, and somebody left it behind when we bought this building. So we're gonna try and make it a battery cover. I was just gonna use the sheet metal and work it, but it actually is like perfect size. So I'm just gonna use as much of it as I can. Make some brackets, make it toolless removal in case you need to get to your battery quickly. You know, emergencies, jump start, whatever. Ta-da! And it's got a latching mechanism. Well, let's see.
Oh yeah, she ain't going nowhere.
Secure. Right, and then all you do is this. Line up the latches on the inside, kind of. Generally. Somewhere like that.
That looks stock.
Hey everybody, it's been about a month now that we finished restoring this little guy behind me, and I apologize for not posting the video yet, but we got a little bit busy and I started dailying it to kind of do a shakedown, and we found it had a really bad stutter under acceleration. It turned out just to be spark plugs. So if you got a little K-truck that just under acceleration is stuttering, like idling is fine, constant speed is fine, but when you push the pedal it starts to stutter, doesn't stall but just stutters, change your spark plugs. We also went through and changed the oil filter, changed the air filter, you know, all the general maintenance. So she's good to go now. She's a little dirty right now because, like I said, I've been dailying it for about a week now, or 2 weeks. But it's done. She drives great, sounds amazing. And we're actually gonna put her to work this morning, go do a run to Home Depot. So let me strap up the GoPro. You guys can come for a ride with me, see what it sounds like. I don't know, I've never GoPro'd before.
This is clear.
Welcome to our new GoPro video angle.
Wait, let's see the front camera. Oh, that's sick. What's up, people? What's going on?
Shout out to Serge for getting us the GoPro.
Thank you, Serge.
Thank him for better video quality